Hi everyone, this is our video tutorial about the Key Stage 2 Mathematics Revision and Past Paper session. In this new curriculum, we have three sections of this paper. Those days we have two papers. Now it's categorized into three areas. The first one is the arithmetic and two more papers students need to do for reasoning. So the paper one is the arithmetic paper containing addition, subtraction, multiplication and fraction, percentage, almost every single bit about the primary school. What you learn in the maths, you need to focus on this arithmetic paper. So today we are focusing on the arithmetic paper, but watch out for the other videos. We are going to do some reasoning video for the 2018 paper. Instead of me be explaining everything, I'm going to ask two of my students to join with me to help me and assist me the questions, how they think is how they do normally in the question, and what is the effective way to do this one. So I'm going to be asking themselves to introduce themselves. And
so my name is Monasi and I'm 10 years old.
My name's Achaya and I am 11 years old.
So here we got Manasi, 10 years old, and Achaya, 11 years old. They're both sitting for the SATS exam this May, probably next week. So they are helping me to do the exam paper for arithmetic. Let's move on to the first question. Question number 1 is 39 plus 673.
So this is a 2-digit and 3-digit addition. So we do so the easiest way is column addition. So 673 add 39. So 9 add 3 is 12. So 2 carry the 1. 1 add 7 is 8. Plus 1 11. 1 carry over the 1 and 7. So the answer is 712.
Very well done. That is the correct answer. I don't need to add any more thing on the explanation. The correct answer for the question number 1 is 712. Question number 2 is 9 upon 11 take away 4 upon 11.
This is a fraction subtraction, so the denominators are all the same. So you just have to do 9 take away 4, which is 5. So it's 5 over 11.
Very good. So that is a subtraction on fraction topic. It's easily actually explained that one. So the answer is 5 upon 11. Question number 3 is 2 times 45.
So this is a multiplication question of 1 digit and 2 digit. So you do 45 times 2, which is an easy column of multiplication. 5 times 2 is 10. 0 carry the 1. 1 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 add 1 is 9, so 90.
Very good. That is the answer for the question number 3. Let's move on to the question number 4.
So this is a 3-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. So 838. So how many 8's going to 1? How many 1's going to 8 is 8, and how many 1's going to 3 is 3. How many 1's going to 8 is 838.
Very good. The answer is 838. So the rule of the thumb is actually any number divide by 1, the number itself repeats. So the answer is same number. So 5 divided by 1 is 5. 8 divided by 1 is 8. So 838 divided by 1 is 838. Question number 5. 99 divided by 11.
So this is a 2-digit division question. So you do 99 divided by 11. 11 doesn't go into 9, but it goes into 99, so it's 9.
So the answer is 9 is straight away you know by yourself. So 11th timetable, 11 times 9 is going to be 9. The answer is 9. Very well done, Manasi. Question number 6 is 5 times 4 times 10.
So this is a 1-digit number times by a 1-digit number times by a 2-digit number. So 5 times 4 is known as 20. So then you do 20 times 10, which is known as 200.
Very good. That is the way to. So a bigger problem, you are dividing into a sub problem. So you are doing the question 2 at a time. So 5 times 4, 20. You take the answer from the first step and times by 10 is 200. That is the perfect way to explain. Question number 6, that is the answer. Question number 7. 7064 take away 502.
So this is a four digit minus a 3-digit column subtraction question. So you do 4 minus 2, which is 2, 6 minus 0, which is 6, and then you carry over 1 because you can't do 0 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus nothing is 6,562.
Very good. There's nothing to add for that one. So 6,562 is the answer for question number 7. Question number 8 is 6 squared plus 10.
So this is a squared number plus a 2-digit number. So we know 6 squared is 6 times 6, which equals 36. And you do 36 plus 10, which equals 46.
Very well done. There's nothing to add anything. So the way Archia did is the square number. She got the answer. Then add with the 10 is 46. Perfect. Question number 9. 56.38 plus 24.7.
Okay, so this is decimal addition. So you do 56 add 38 add 24.7. Make sure you're lining up the decimals as well. When you're doing that, you can add a placeholder if you need. 8 add 0 is 8. 3 plus 7 is 10. Carry the 1. 7 add 1. 4 is 11. Carry the 1 and 8. So 5 plus 2 is 8.
That is the answer, 81.08. Question number 10. Something take away 10 equal 298.
So if you're finding a missing number, what would you have to do is find the inverse, which means doing the opposite. So you'll have to do 298 plus 10. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 9 plus 1 is 0, so which will be 10, carry over the 1, which is 3, so 308.
So perfect. This is how to do it. Something take away 10, 298. So you do the reverse operation or inverse operation as Archia said. So you are adding the 10 back into the 298. The answer is 308. Question number 11. 270 divided by 3.
So this is a 3-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. So 270 divided by 3. So 3 doesn't go into 0, but it goes into 27 9 times. And then 3 obviously goes into 0, so it's 0. And so the answer is 90.
Perfect. It's a 3-digit division by a 1-digit number. So straight away 3 times 9 is 27. For 0, 0, answer is 90. Question number 12. 5,400 divided by 9.
So this is a 4-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. So 9 doesn't go into 5, so it will be 0. So you have to do 54. So 54 divided by 9 is 6. And then you've just got the 0, so you add the 2 zeros, which is 600.
Well done. So that is the answer. It's a bus stop method division. You either can do the short division or long division. Doesn't matter. All what you want to do is remember the timetable. 9 times 6 is 54 and add 2 zeros for the answer. Answer is 600. Question number 13. 60 divided by 15.
So this is a 2-digit number divided by another 2-digit number. So if you know your 15 times table, so 15 times 1 is 15, 15 times 2 is 30, 15 times 3 is 45, and 15 times 4 is 60, so the answer is 4.
Well done. Question number 13, the answer is 4. Question number 14, something equal 5,776, take away 855.
So this is a 4-digit number, take away 3-digit number. So you do 5,776 divided by, take away 855. So 6 take away 5 is 1, 7 take away 5 is 2, 7 take away 8, so you have to carry it 1, so it's 4 and then 17. So 17 take away 8 is 9 and 4, so 4,921. Well
done. It's a column subtraction. 4,921 is the answer for question number 14. Question number 15 is 3,050,020 equal 3 million plus something plus 20.
Okay, so we know that we have 3 million in this number. We also have 20, but in the middle we have some number. So that number in the number is 50,000.
Exactly. So when you do partitioning, it's a 3 million and 50,000 and 20. So the answer is 50,000 is the answer for the question number 15. Question number 16. 10 take away 5.4.
So this is a 2-digit number, take away decimal number. So you change the 10 into 10.0 and then you do 5.4. So then you do carry it over, so it's 9, and then 10. So 10 take away 4 is 6. Put the decimal, so 4. And then you do 9 take away 5, which is 4, so it's 4.6.
Very good. That is the answer for the question number 16. So 4.6 is the answer. Question number 17. 5 upon 7 plus 3 upon 21.
Okay, so this is fraction addition. So one of them has a denominator of 7 and the other has a denominator of 21. So we need to find the common number out of both of these, which is 21. So you times 7 by 3, which gives you 21, and 5 times 3, which is 15. So 15 add 3 is 18. So 18 over 21. If you want, you can simplify this number divided by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 7. So 6 over 7.
6 over 7 is the perfect answer for question number 17. Question number 18. 0.1 divide by 100.
So you do 0.1 divided by 100. So you can take away the decimal place backwards. So you take away it backwards 2 places. So then the dot goes there. So 0.001.
Very good. So decimal jump. When you dividing by 100, it called 2 jumps. So 2 jumps when dividing, jumps is backwards, not forward, backwards. So 2 jump backwards, holding the answer is 0.001. Question number 19 is 3/4 of 1,000.
Okay, so we know that a quarter of 1,000 is 250. So 3/4 is going to be 250 times 3. So that's 750.
Well done. So 250 times by 3 is 750 is the answer for question number 19. Question number 20. 785 times by 23.
So this is a column multiplication. So you do 5 times 3, which is 15, carry over the 1. So 8 times 3, which is 24, add the 1, which is 25, carry over the 2. So 7 times 3 is 21, add the 2, which is 23, and add the 0. And then you do 5 times 2, which is 10, carry the 1. 8 times 2 is 16, add the 1 is 17, and then 7 times 2, which is 14, add the 1, 15. Then you do 5 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0 again, 5, and then 3 plus 7 is 10, 2 plus 5 equals 7, carry over 1, which is 8, and then 1.
Well done. That is the answer for question number 20 is 18,055. Question number 21. 20% of 1,200.
So this is a percentage of 1,200. So 20 over 100 times by 1,200. So you cancel out the zeros, and then you do 20 times 12, which is 240.
That is the answer. So the answer is 240. Question number 22. 645 divide by 43.
So this is a division question, and we're using the bus stop method. So 43 into 64 is 1. So 64 take away 43, which is 21. Bring down the 5, which is 215. And 43 times 5 equals 215. And take that away is 0. So it's 15.
Well done. Question number 22 is perfect. That is the answer. Question number 23 is 0.5 times 28.
Okay, so this is a decimal times by a whole number. So 28 times 0.5. We can forget the decimal for now, and so we're going to do 8 times 5, which is 40. 0 carries a 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 add 4 is 14. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0 as well, so that's just 0, 0, 4, and 1. So you bring down the point, which is 14.
Very good. So 14 is the answer. I will introduce another method, right? Just wanted to add that one. So 0.5 is considered as half. times 28. So half of 28 is 14. That is also another method, but there's nothing bad. You can do a decimal multiplication and make sure you place the decimal at the correct place. Is 14 is the correct answer. Question number 24. Half plus 1/5.
So this is a fraction addition question. So changed the denominators into a common fraction, which is 10, and then do 2 times 5, which is 10, and then 1 times 5, which is 5, and then 5 times 2 is 10, and 1 times 2 is 2. So you do 5 plus 2 is 7, so 7 over 10.
That is perfect. 7 upon 10. And the question number 25 is 1 3/4 plus 3/4.
Okay, so we can forget our whole number for now. So we're going to do 3/4 and 3/4, which is 6 over 4. 6 over 4 is equivalent to 1 and 2 over 4, which is equivalent to 1.5. So we're going to do 1.5 add 1, which is 2, and 1.5.
Well done. So 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5. That is the answer for the question number 25. Question number 26. 6 take away 5.738.
So this is a 1-digit number take away a decimal number. So you change the 6 into 6.000 and 5.738. So you do you carry over the number. So you change them all and carry over again, and another one again. So then you do 10 take away 8, which is 2, 9 take away 3, which is 6, and 9 take away 7, which is 2, and 5 take away 5 is 0, so 0.262.
Very well done. That's the way to do. Make sure you put the zeros, and whenever you carry 1, that becomes 10. You give 1, they become 9, and give 1. So every time you give 1, 10 becomes 9, and make sure you write that in the top of your subtraction column and do the subtraction. Perfect answer from Archia. Question number 27, Manasi. 3.9 times 30.
So this is a decimal times by a number by a times of 10. So you're going to do 39 times 30. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 3 times 9 is 27. 7 carry the 2. 3 and 2 times 3 is 9. 9 and 2 is 11. So and then you add it all together, which gives you 1,170. You need to make sure you're adding in the decimal for 3.9, so you carry that 1, so which is 170.
Perfect. When you times it, the whole number becomes 1,170. You make sure the decimal, one decimal place the one decimal, so the correct answer is 117. Question number 28. 1/115th minus 2/5.
So this is a fraction question, and this is a mixed number take away a normal fraction. So you change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 1 times 15, which is 15, add 1 is 16, so it's 16 over 15. And then take away 2/5, and the common fraction is 15. So you change the 5 times 3, which is 15, and 2 times 3, which is 6, sorry. So 16 over 15 take away 6 over 15 is 10 over 15. You can simplify that down to 2/3. So 2/3 is the answer.
Very good. You divide both numbers by 5 and you get 2/3 is the answer. Very well done, Manasi. The next question is multiplication. Question number 29. 5413 times by 86.
So we're going to do column multiplication. So 6 times 3 is 18. 8 carry the 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Add 1 is 7. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 carry the 2. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 add 2 is 32. Now we're going to go into 8. So 8 times 3 is 24. So 4 carry the 2. 8 times 1 is 8. Add 2 is 10. 0 carry the 1. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 add 1 is 33. 3 carry the 3. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 add 3 is 43. And you're going to add this all together. So 8 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 carry the 1. 4 add 1 is 5. 2 add 3 is 5. 3 add 3 is 6. And 4.
Very good. The answer is 4,665,518. That is the perfect answer. Question number 30. We are nearly ending the paper. 99% of 200.
So this is a percentage question. So you will have to do 99 over 100 times 200. Now you can divide 100 and 200 by 100. So it's 1 and 2. And then you can do 99 times 2, which is 198.
Very good. As quick and easy. 198. Question number 31. Quarter divide by 2.
So this is a fraction divided by 2. So you're going to use KS2 method. So 1 over 4 divided by 2 over 1. You're going to flip it and change the dividing sign to a multiplication sign. We add times 1 over 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is 1 over 8.
Very good. It's called KFC. KFC method. Keep, flip, change. So you keep the first fraction. You flip the second fraction and you change the division to multiplication. Question number 32. 9 squared minus 36 divide by 9.
So you can use the method called BIDMAS. So you do 9. So first do your indices, which is 9 squared, which is 9 times 9, which is 81. Then you do 36 divided by 9, which is 4. So then you do 81 divided by 81 take away 4, which is 77.
Very good. That is the answer. Make sure the BIDMAS or BODMAS, we need to make sure the order of the operation. Remember, brackets, indices and division, multiplication, addition, subtraction has to be done in order. Here the priority is given to division. So the answer 4 is taken away. So subtraction comes to the end. The priority is given at the end. Correct answer is 77. Question number 33. 1.5 times 40.
Okay, so first we're going to change the mixed number to an improper fraction. So you're going to do 2 times 1, which is 2. 2 add 1, so 3 over 2 times by 40. So the easiest way to do is 3 over 2 over times by 40 over 1. So you're going to do 2 divided by 1. So if 40 divided by 2 is 20. 3 times 20 is 60. So the answer is 60.
That is the answer. Perfect cross-cut method Manasi did. The answer is 60. Question number 34 is 28% of 650.
So this is a percentage question. So you do 28 over 100, which is 650 over 650 over 1. So then you can divide 100 into 5. So you can have 20, and you can also have 130. So then you can divide that by 2 as well. So that's 10, and that is going to be 65. So then you can also divide that by 5 again. So it's 2, and that's going to be 13. So then you can do 1, and then you can do 14. And 14 times 13 equals 4 times 3 is 12. Add the 1 is 1 times 3 is 4. And then 4 times 0, and then 4 times 1 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, and then 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 4 is 8, and add the 182.
Very well done. That is the hardest question, and Archia did it very nicely. Question number 35. 4 2/3 take away 167.
So this is a mixed number, take away another mixed number. So the easiest way to do this is to change both of them into improper fractions. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 add 2 is 14. So 14 over 3. Minus 7 times 1 add 6. 13 over 7. So the common denominator for both of these is 21. So you're going to times the numerator and the denominator by 7 for the first fraction, which should give you 98 and 21. Minus by 13 times 3, which is 39. So that will give you 59 over 20. So 8. So you're going to carry over 18 minus 9. 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 59 over 21. You need to change this into a mixed fraction in order to successfully complete the question. So 21 goes twice into 59 with a remainder of 17. So
Well done.
2 and 17 over 21.
The answer is 2 17 over 21. So make sure you can change the improper fraction to a mixed fraction while you're answering the final answer. The last question of the paper is 36 is 97 is going to be divide 8827.
So it's a long division question. So you do, so you see how many 97s go into 88, but you can't, it's a 0. So 800, so how many, so you do 97 times 8, which is, so you carry over the 5, so it's 776. Then you do 97 times 9, which is 63, so carry over the 3, and then carry over the 6, which is 81 plus 6 is 873, so you have to have the 9, so 882 take away 873, which equals 9, and then carry over the 7, so it's 97, so you have 1, so the answer is 91.
Wow, that is the longest and hardest question. When people see these divisions, they always like a little bit of reluctant to do the multiplication to get the how many quotient this 91 is. So you try the multiplication 8, 7 and 9 and make sure what is the maximum number can go for. So 9, Achya did it very correctly. Then the remainder you need to drop the 7. So 1 times 97 is 97. The answer is 91. This is the end of our tutorial. What we discussed today for the arithmetic paper 2018 paper. I hope you like our explanation together with Manasi and Achya. I must say big thanks to both of them. Not only they explaining, they trying to understand the question, they are doing their actual SATS practice exam with me, and also they are explaining. They are sitting the exam in the next few weeks. And I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch the upcoming videos, and I will pass the mic to Manasi.
So thank you very much for the opportunity to explain the SATS paper. I wish all the very best to anyone out there watching this video who's sitting their SATS for the next few weeks. So I'm going to pass the mic to Achya.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to explain the SATS paper. For anyone who is also doing SATS in the next few weeks, good luck. Also, please remember to check your paper before you hand in the paper, and check in the time as much as you can in the time you are given once you are finished.
Thank you so much. That is a very kind advice for all the SATS exam students who you are taking the exam next week or week after. So the advice from Manasi and Achya, check if you have some spare time at the end of the exam. Any blanks, make sure you read the question again and fill it, put some numbers and give the paper. Don't give the paper without any empty blanks. Wish you all the best. Goodbye.